Yeah, let me show you guys. Just doing a quick YouTube video today. Some light. Just want to go over some pairs. How I see the market this week. And how I would approach it this week. I feel like we need to make some money this week. I see some good opportunities on some pairs, and as you guys can see right here on the right side, I have my bias on all these pairs. If it's blue, I'm looking to go long. If it's red, I'm looking to a short only. Let me go over USD CAD, what I'm seeing right now. The weekly just ended. It's about to open right now in a couple of hours. Let's see. So as you guys can see, I already marked everything up. Let me just clear this so we can just focus here. I have USD CAD right here. Last week we had this massive push to the upside. So basically, just based on that candle right there, all I'm doing is looking to go bullish this week. So I'm only looking for buys. My main target overall, like long term, would be this 135 monthly level, which has a high chance of hitting it realistically. If we follow the trend, there's a high chance it'll hit it in either this week or the week after. But we do got to be careful because overall, if we go to the monthly, maybe in the monthly we're basically bearish, in a bearish trend. So if we can, as you can see right here, we could easily come back to like this level right here or this area and then drop. You get me? And I'm honestly like long term looking to sell, like probably next month or something like that. But for this week, I'm just looking to buy, going with the trend, like the short-term trend. The long-term trend is bearish, but for this week, bullish. Okay. Okay. Friday we ended up closing bullish. Okay, cool. We're above 133.50. So what I could probably see this week is probably like some kind of pullback and then fly to the upside. You get me? So all I'll be waiting for is probably zoom into the 4-hour. Okay. I'll be waiting for some kind of pullback. If I get something like a pullback like here, or just any kind of pullback and it hits like the 133.50, the 1.34. Let me clear this up. So we could easily wait for, so right now we're above 133.50 and probably zoom in. Okay. In order for me to go long, I'll be waiting for a pullback to like this area and then fly. Okay. Let's use the Fibonacci for an extra confluence. Okay, look, perfect. That would be the 6180 extension right here. So that'd be 3 confluences, psychological level, support zone, Fibonacci, and the trend, which is bullish short term. You got like 4 or 5 confluences to go along. So yeah, let's see how USD CAD plays out this week. Let's see. Another pair that everyone wants me to break down is GJ. Like I said, let's start from the higher time frame. Okay, let me delete this. This is like, oops. Sorry, those were just my projections and stuff. Yeah. So as you guys can see, I already marked my monthly levels, which those are that's basically like my playing ground, that I call. Last week we closed like this. Damn. We came up all the way over here, ended up being in the lows of 182. So realistically, what are what's higher? The chances of price hitting 180 or 182? Obviously 180. So short term, I'm looking to go to 180, which is only 66 pips. If it breaks 180 psychological level, cool. I'll be waiting for a break, some kind of retest, and then aim the 178 or 176. Easy. Zone to zone. Okay. Daily. Yeah, easy. Okay. Or if I have some kind of daily bullish, if we reject this zone and we don't end up breaking, we can end up, I'll be waiting for a daily bullish candle. So we could easily hit this level, the 180, bounce to 182, come back for some kind of retest. I'll start zooming into the 4-hour and then aim for the 184, which it's still it's possible still, because overall we've been on the, you guys can see it, bullish trend. Simple. You get me? So and that's it, like those are the only two pairs I'm gonna go over today, and just some light for YouTube. And yeah, just make sure to follow my Instagram, and I've been actually pretty active on Twitter, so follow the Twitter. Okay. Peace.